Guten Morgen. Welcome, team. I hope everybody is doing great. I just wanted to show this box off. Yeah. We just received this yesterday. Let's see if it shows where it's coming from. Let's see. Yeah, it's coming from Airmock, Italy. This is good news, my friends. It's hard to see down there, but those are the impellers to the wave pool blowers. We have been waiting on these for 3 months. Let's see if I can get to it. There it is. All right. That's good news, boys and girls. That's good news. So what this is the inlet cone for the air. It goes on the inside of that impeller, the big old blue thing on the blower. We're in great shape. It's been a while, so let's do a quick walk. All right, so you see this pole? This pipe is from the wave pool, or excuse me, from the the wave pool mushroom. We're gonna redo it. So that's the bottom part. Let's go check out the top part. We've been busy back here, boys and girls. Got a lot of moving parts. Trying to get ready. We are about to start filling pools. Hopefully this week we're filling pools. Well, we have to anyway. So here's the top of the mushroom. Ooh, in the video it kind of looks blue, but it's this, it's like aquamarine green. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell you what that color is, but it's actually green. When I originally bought this, we tried to make it look like a tree. That's why the other side's blue, or brown. We're gonna try and do that same thing. Legend's gonna paint this up. We've got a bunch of cool colors. We're just gonna make it, the base will be brown, and then we'll cover it with a bunch of green, make it look like a tree. That's the goal. It's looking good. We've got to sand it down and get ready for it. The weather hasn't been cooperating with us. It's been too humid and rainy and cold. So we got to wait for a good day. But right now, we're not in a rush. We've got some time for the wave pool. But yeah, so we're looking good there. We have a bunch of lights that are out in the wave pool, so we're waiting for all those to come in. Unfortunately, just like everything else, the what's the word? I can't think of the word. Well, the supply chain shortages. That's what we're having right now. And of course, our lights are LED, so they have chips in them, and that's one of the things that's kind of short right now. Good afternoon, team. If you've been following for a while, you'll notice something is missing. The bridge. The bridge is missing, and nothing is going on. All right, so here's what happened. It is so tough to get supplies right now. We were not going to be able to get supplies for this project until about the middle of May, which would really have messed us up for this attraction, because the bridge, no matter what, had to be out in order for us to fill the river. So looking at timeline, we weren't going to be able to dig the holes, get the equipment off in time, and still be able to finish the project, even in May. So we had to pull the bridge. We're pausing the project. The project's going to be started back up in October time frame around there. So we had to pull the bridge because we are about to actually fill the river. So the river should be filled here in the next week and a half or so. We'll clean it out and then get it ready. So unfortunately, that's just the way it goes. It's been rough to get supplies, and especially the big supplies that we've got to get. It's hard to come by. Schedule 80, you know, the big boy stuff, 10-inch, 8-inch, 6-inch, all, you know, even, you know, we have some 12s and 14-inch pipe that got to go down there too. So a lot of that has been tough to get. So we had to pull the bridge. We're going to resurface this all right here. We're going to make it flat, bring some more grass in so it doesn't look so terrible. Put the fence back in right here, and yeah, we'll call it good. Got Popo coming. We'll put the rocks, I don't know if you see the rocks right there. All the rocks will be put back in place, and we'll take down all the fencing for SWIP. We'll get the SWIP stuff out of here. We have been cleared to do that, so we'll go ahead and do that here shortly. Once we get the dirt in place and moved around, we'll go ahead and do all that, but want to make sure we stay safe and not pollute anything. But nonetheless, we're almost there. But let me show you what we do have. We did get some equipment already, and I'll show you here shortly. Here we are, team. All right, like I said, we did get some product already. So we've got 2 of the catch baskets here. These are the let's see, what size is that? That's the 10 out or 8 out. Let's see. So it's 12 in, 8 out. Okay. So these are for the 2 big slide attractions. This is the filter. I'm not going to unwrap it yet, but there's the new filter in there. And if you see how the belly is really low, it's because it needs to go up. Now let me see. It's quite heavy still. We haven't opened this box up, so I don't know what's inside of it, to be honest with you. But I know what I ordered, and that is the anti-vortex plates. Those are in this box for sure. Anti-vortex plates. There's a bunch of valves that are specific that go to this filter. So they're in there as well. They're pneumatic. There's an air compressor in there to control this little bad boy. Because the filters, these Defender filters, are pneumatically dependent. Okay, man, should have brought something. Anyway, so that's part of the stuff that we've already gotten, which is awesome. The only problem is now I got to store it. So I've got to find a place to store this until we get to the construction. Look at these chairs, guys. Look at these chairs. They're looking fantastic. I just had these powder coated. They are looking fantastic. Man, they're pretty.